So let's have this exercise. Find dy over dx of each of the following. So for number 1, y is equals to 5x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x minus 6. So we'll get its y prime. So y prime. So dy over dx. So 15x squared, right? Because we'll multiply 3 by 5, then 3 minus x cubed, so 3 minus 2. So 15x squared minus 8x plus 3. So this will be now our final answer. So let's check. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to number 3. So for number 3, so y is equals to square root of 5 minus 6x. So we'll try to answer this one. So to find dy over dx for this one, so we first uh, transform this into an exponent form. So 5 minus 6x raised to the power of 1 half, right? So after this one, we'll have a power rule. So power rule in the derivative is just like this. So 1 half multiply by just copy inside 5 minus 6x. So 1 half minus 1. So the derivative inside. So negative 6. So y prime. So y prime is just equals to 1 half multiplied by negative 6. So negative 3. So negative 3 multiplied by 5 minus 6x. So what is 1 half minus 1? So 1 half minus 1 is just equals to negative 1 half, right? So after this one, we'll have y prime is equals to, so this term right here is having a negative exponent. So we'll transform it into, we'll put this into the denominator. So we'll have a negative 3 all over 5 minus 6x raised to the power of 1 half. So to finalize its answer, so the final answer will be y prime is just equals to negative 3 all over square root of 5 minus 6x. So this will be now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So negative 3 all over square root of 5 minus 6x. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to number 5. So let's answer number 5. So y is equals to 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. So let's proceed. We'll have dy over dx. So y prime is just equals to power rule. So we have 5 multiplied by, just copy inside, 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. So 5 minus 1. So the derivative inside is 6x minus 4. Right, so y prime is just equals to 5 multiplied by 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 raised to the power 4. So multiply by 6x minus 4. So after this one, we will further simplify. So y prime is just equals to, we'll divide 5 by this term. So we have 30x minus 20 multiplied by 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 raised to the power 4. So for further simplification, we have y prime is just equals to, so we'll have uh, we'll factor this out, so we'll have the factor is 10. So 3x minus 2 multiplied by 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 raised to the power 4. So this is now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So the answer is 10 multiplied by 3x minus 2 multiplied by 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 raised to the power 4. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to number 7. So let's answer for number 7. So 7 is 7 is y is equals to 4x minus 5 all over 2x plus 1. So we'll answer this one. So to answer this one, having y prime, so we'll just copy the denominator first. So 2x plus 1. So we'll have its first derivative for the numerator. So the derivative of 4x minus 5 is just equals to 4, right? So minus. So just copy the numerator again. So just copy the numerator. So 4x minus 5. So the derivative of the denominator is 2x plus 1 is 2. So all over, so to just copy the denominator and having squared. So 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1, right? So quotient rule. So after this one, we'll distribute the this term, this term, this term, and this term. So we have 8x plus 4 minus, so 8x minus 10 all over 2x plus 1 squared. So after this one, we'll distribute the negative sign. So after this one, we have y prime is just equals to 8x plus 4 minus 8x plus 10 all over 2x plus 1 squared. So after this one, we'll combine similar terms. So y prime is just equals, so 8x minus 8x is just equals, we'll cancel. So we'll cancel this one. So after this one, 4 plus 10 is just equals to 14. 14 all over 2x plus 1 squared. So this is now our final answer for y prime. So let's check if our answer is correct. So for this one, 14 all over 2x plus 1 squared. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to number 9.